Yeah, it seems like you guys have learned a lot along this journey as well.
Mhm.
I'm glad you said built because I would say you guys are quite established, right? Are you
Mhm.
happy with where you're at? Do you see any exponential growth within the next couple of years? Can you tell us a little bit about the state you're in right now?
Sure. Well, the physical space that we put in as many treatment rooms as we can. So we physically can't grow anymore. We are kind of landlocked in our building, which is fine. We still have room to grow within that space. Right now, actually, we're interviewing for another dentist. There's me, plus I'm the only owner, and I have two other dentists. And so we're looking to get a third dentist hired fairly soon. When that third dentist comes on board, I'm going to go from 4 days of seeing patients down to 2 days. And this new doctor is going to do 3 days. So it's a net gain of really 1 day. Um, so what we're trying to do right now is to grow the practice, but not through me. I'm trying to grow it through others. What that's going to allow me to do is to then make a decision. Do I want to open, say, a second location? Because if I do, part of my nature is I think I need to be at that location when it opens. Well, if I'm going to leave location 1 to go to location 2, I need to know, what would I be leaving behind at location 1? So I need to kind of test that out. Me actually stepping back from the office, not committing to a second location yet, but then seeing how well the practice can run without me. Once I have that piece of information, then doing a second location would be a much easier calculation. So either going to do that, or I'm going to step back and spend more time with that other company I mentioned earlier called Pivot Dental Company, which would be more of a consulting type business. There's a lot of dentists I think that would like to have what I've created over the years, and if I could show them how to do it, just like I have learned from so many other consultants in my past, and still to this day, I think I could take all of my war stories and all my experience, put it together, and package it in some way that it might be of value to somebody, and so that could be a business too. So to answer your question, where are we at now? We're still growing within the practice, just not through me, and I may open up a second location or do this consulting, or who knows, maybe we'll do both. I don't know.
Kind of back to that learn on the fly thing, right?
Yeah, as people say, these 5-year master plans, that may have been applicable back, say, in the 90s, but these days, with things changing so fast, it's good to plan. It's good to have an idea so that you can kind of make adjustments along the way. You've already given it some thought, but to say we're going to definitely go this direction, yeah, be flexible would be my advice.